everything that I'm taking in, I'm looking at it as, how can I now take this back to the whole school instead of just my classroom and say, come on, we got to do this. Love it.
Me being brand new to STEM, I'm so excited about it, and being here with everyone, and they're loving it too.
Discovery does it differently in that they allow people to really create that community sense. We have those innate conversations, those in-depth conversations, and really forming partnerships and friendships.
People from all over the nation, from other countries, really pushing each other and learning from each other. I think it's awesome.
SI is a time when educators from all over the globe spend a week together learning to integrate technology into a K-12 environment.
For me, it's just been a massive learning opportunity, and I'm really excited to go back and I really want to tell all the staff what I've been up to.
We're, as teachers, are taught every day to have the most interactive lessons for our students, and we don't get that when we get our own professional development. I kept hearing people say that this is like a family. You can learn so much, and everybody has a story.
Just do it. Just jump in with 2 feet and don't be afraid, because it's worth the time away from your family. It's worth the week in the summer. It's been so worth it every step of the way.